MSPR technical analysis. This is a detailed technical analysis of MSPR based on the provided data. The last closing price was 1.02. Over the past 3 months, the stock has exhibited a volatile trajectory, peaking at 2.83 on April 14 after a significant surge from 1.31 on April 7, but then declining steadily to the current price of 1.02. We will analyze price movements, trend, momentum, volatility, and volume dynamics to assess the stock's current state and potential future direction. Price movements and trend analysis. The last close was 1.02. The 5-day simple moving average SMA5 is 1.17, and the exponential moving average EMA5 is 1.14, with the price below both, indicating a short-term bearish trend. The 10-day averages, SMA10 at 1.22 and EMA10 at 1.21, are also above the current price, reinforcing short-term weakness. The 20-day averages, SMA20 at 1.34 and EMA20 at 1.3, are significantly above the price, confirming a medium-term downtrend. The 50-day averages, SMA50 at 1.56 and EMA50 at 1.48, and the 100-day averages, SMA100 at 1.74 and EMA100 at 1.73, are well above the current price, supporting a strong long-term bearish trend. The 200-day averages, SMA200 at 2.2 and EMA200 at 2.21, are also significantly above the price, further validating the downtrend across all timeframes. Historically, the stock started at 1.31 on April 7, surged to 2.83 on April 14 with a massive volume spike, 87.380.388 on April 11, and then began a steady decline, reaching 1.02 by July 3. Bollinger bands show the middle band at 1.34, lower band at 1.06, and upper band at 1.62. The price at 1.02 is below the lower band, indicating oversold conditions and a potential for a near-term bounce. However, the price's position below the middle band suggests continued bearish momentum unless a reversal signal emerges. Momentum indicators RSI 14 is at 33.04, near oversold territory, below 30, signaling strong downward momentum, but also a potential for reversal. Stochastic indicators, K5 is 16.31, D5 is 29.15, showing a weak signal in oversold territory. K15 is 22.83, D15 is 22.4, also in oversold territory, reinforcing the potential for a bounce. Stock RSI K5 is 21.22, D5 is 31.13, indicating oversold conditions. MACD is -0.11, with the signal line at -0.09 and histogram at -0.02, indicating a bearish crossover, as the MACD line is below the signal line, supporting downward momentum. Momentum 10 is -0.37, reflecting price declines over the past 10 days. Williams R14 is -92.81, deep in oversold territory, aligning with other indicators. Ultimate oscillator is 36.58, in a weak range, suggesting sustained selling pressure. CMO 14 is -33.92, further confirming strong bearish momentum, volatility, and support. A resistance levels Bollinger bands, upper band at 1.62, middle band at 1.34, lower band at 1.06. The price at 1.02, below the lower band, suggests oversold conditions and a potential bounce to the middle band at 1.34 if momentum shifts. ATR 14 is 0.17, indicating moderate volatility relative to the price, reflecting the stock's recent consolidation at low levels. PSAR is at 1.49, above the current price, acting as resistance and reinforcing the bearish trend. VWAP is at 2.53, significantly above the current price, indicating long-term selling pressure. NATR 14 is 64, showing high volatility relative to the price, consistent with the stock's sharp declines earlier. The stock's recent consolidation suggests limited downside, but oversold signals warrant attention. Volume analysis: the last day's volume was 246.489, significantly lower than peaks like 87.38, 0.388 on April 11th, or 8.494.096 on June 30th. Volume spikes in April, e.g., 1.947.672 on April 14th, accompanied the price surge, while recent volumes are moderate, suggesting reduced selling intensity at current levels. OBV is 153.020.776, indicating accumulation despite the price decline, possibly due to high volume at lower levels. Chaikin oscillator is 1.035.798, 18, positive, reflecting some buying pressure, which contrasts with the price drop and suggests potential accumulation. Other indicator CCI 20 is -202, 17, well below -100, confirming oversold conditions and increasing the likelihood of a near-term bounce. MFI 14 is 80, 97, in overbought territory, 80+, which is unusual given the price decline and suggests strong money flow despite selling pressure. Arun oscillator is -71, 43, with Arun up at 20, 0 and Arun down 96, 0, strongly bearish, indicating a robust downtrend. ADX 14 is 9, 33, suggesting a weak trend, and DX 14 at 4, 61 indicates minimal directional strength. TRIX 10 is -1, 02, negative, supporting the downtrend. TSF 14 is 1, 08, slightly above the current price, suggesting a potential stabilization. APO is -0, 08, indicating short-term averages are below long-term averages, a bearish sign. ROC 14 is -31, 54, reflecting significant recent losses. Summary and outlook: MSPR is in a strong downtrend across all timeframes, having fallen from a peak of 2.83 in mid-April to 1.02, with a recent low of 1.0 on July 3rd. The stock is below its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages, confirming bearish momentum. Its position below the Bollinger Band's lower band at 1.06, combined with oversold signals from RSI 33.04, stochastic, CCI -202, 17, and Williams R-92, 81, suggests a potential near-term bounce to the middle band at 1.34 or PSAR resistance at 1.49. However, momentum indicators like MACD and Arun confirm strong bearishness, though the oversold conditions and high MFI 80, 97 warrant caution for a potential reversal. Volume is moderate compared to earlier peaks, with OBV and a positive Chaikin oscillator indicating some accumulation despite the price drop. Key support levels are 1.0, a recent low, and 1.06 lower band, with resistance at 1.34 middle band and 1.49 PSAR. A break above 1.34 with strong volume could push the stock toward 1.49-1.62 upper band, while a drop below 1.0 could lead to new lows around 0.9. The weak ADX 9.33 suggests a lack of strong trend direction, but bearish indicators dominate. Investors should monitor volume for signs of reversal or further selling and watch for a potential bounce given the extreme oversold signals. The 1.0-1.34 range will be critical for the next move.